I'm kind of ready to be back. I'm kind of like nervous. I'm kind of like, I don't know what I'm gonna, how am I, oh boy. I don't know how am I gonna start. I don't know how I'm gonna begin, but welcome back to my channel after 1.6 years. 1.6, yeah, 1 year, 6 months, something like that. Well, doesn't matter. Anyway, I'm back. Hopefully the consistency is gonna be there. I don't know. Oh my god, do you guys even realize what time it is? It's like 2:35 a.m. 2 freaking 35 a.m. My eyes are red. They're, oh my god, they are actually red. They're actually red. Holy mother of... Okay, just a disclaimer. While I was filming, I was watering a lot. My eyes were watering a lot. You could see them like tearing up or whatever. My nose were like dripping and I'm like, ew, how am I even gonna upload this on YouTube? But then I'm like, you know what, it's okay. It's been ages since I sat down in front of the camera again and to film, sit for hours, set up, put the makeup on and you know, yada yada. So yeah, just some quick news of what has been happening in my life. Breakup, crazy stuff, graduation, I got a car, traveled the world, met someone special and living my life. Oh, and I started working. Finally, it's about time. Yeah. Right now, my voice is cracking. It's 2:40 a.m. right now. All I'm gonna say, let's jump to the video of the tutorial of this makeup look I've done. So this is the palette I'll be using for this video. It's called WINKY LUX from the KITTEN palette. They've got really cute colors. And the shades I'll be using on my eyes are Pearl, Holographic, Romeo, and Cheshire. I don't know how you pronounce it. Okay, moving on to applying the eyeshadow. I'm using a concealer, of course, or you could use any good eye primer that's gonna act as a base. I think everyone knows that by now. So I'm just gonna take a light brown shade and blend it over my eyelid, just on top a little bit to give a bit of color before I add those cute colors. Anyone here is a fan of Drake? Well, I am. And now I'm taking my flat brush, taking the pink color on the palette, which is called Pearl, I think. And I'm gonna slowly dab it on my eyelid, just the first half. I honestly love this color. I think it's pretty cute. And then I'm gonna flip my brush, take the middle color, I think it's called Holographic. I love the pigment on this palette. It's really pretty. On camera it looks a bit off, or else it looks really pretty. And then I'm taking a smaller pencil brush, taking the darker burgundy shades and just creating a V. So I took something with a sharp edge or like a straight edge and placed it next to my eye. The reason for that is I'm trying to get my eyeshadow into like a cat eye, if you get what I'm saying, if that makes sense. You'll see it at the end, it's gonna make sense. And you gotta just keep blending and blend and blend. That's the key. I then take a smaller brush, dip on the same eyeshadow colors, and blend them on my lower lash line. So for the eyeliner, I am not gonna go for something super dramatic. I will just draw a very thin line and then create a very simple wing, which will be kind of good enough because already the eyeshadow is kind of dramatic, or maybe a little bit more dramatic. I know you guys can notice the craziness that's been going on my skin. I'm sorry. I mean, I've been stressed for like 1 year or so. A lot of things has been happening. But it's all good. I've been taking good care of my skin. It's way better. If you watched my previous videos, you could see my acne and my acne scars. It was crazy. Now it's like way better. I've already done my makeup base, the foundation, the contour. I didn't want to keep this video long, so I thought I would do the makeup base first. I love wearing blushes all the time. Like even at work, I usually wear concealer, mascara, and blush. Oh my god, it's the best. As for the lips, my all-time favorite liquid lipstick, Kat Von D in Lolita. The best, guys, hand down, the best. I swear it goes with any makeup look. And girl, gotta set that face, gotta set that makeup. You don't want to melt through the day.